Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, now I'm going to tell you a short story related to the use of definite and indefinite article. Please listen to me carefully. I have just moved to a house in Bridge Street. Yesterday, a beggar knocked at my door. He asked me for a meal and a glass of beer. In return for this, he stood on his head and sang songs. I gave him a meal and a glass of beer. He ate the meal and drank the beer, and he put a piece of cheese into his pocket, then went away. Later, a neighbor told me about him. Everybody knows him. His name is Percy Buttons. He always he always calls at every house in the street once a month and always asks a meal and a glass of beer. Okay? It's clear, right? The use of definite and indefinite article. Well, and I hope that this video is useful for you. And if you like it, please subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.